how do you make a girl want to kiss you? So when you initiate a kiss with her, she doesn't turn away or say, sorry, I don't see you in that way. And instead, she starts kissing you and she enjoys it. Well, the main thing that you need to do is to create some tension between you and her. And that is known as sexual tension. And sexual tension is where you're feeling sexually attracted to her, she's feeling sexually attracted to you, but there's an obstacle in between you and her kissing or having sex, and as a result, the tension builds. And to help you understand how it works, I've got a post here from one of the members of my community. And he went out by himself that night to meet women. He also goes out with other members of the community. We have a section in the community called Find a Wingman, but on this particular night, he went out by himself and ended up kissing a woman 4 or 5 times throughout the night. And if you look at the success story here from him, you probably can't tell how he built the tension between him and her. But if you understand how it works, then you'll be able to see that in the details, right? So what I'm going to do is read out some parts from his post, and then I'll share the secrets and insights behind it so you can understand how he was getting the results that he was getting. So he said, we chatted for the rest of the night. Sometime during the conversation, she found out I was on my own and admired my courage. So how is that contributing to building tension and making the girl want to kiss him? Well, the fact that he was out on his own, and you don't need to be out on your own to achieve this, but the fact that he was out on his own made her realize that he wasn't a nervous, scared, insecure type of guy in the situation, and she admired his confidence and courage, and she would have felt attracted to that. So he's feeling attracted to her, she's starting to feel attracted to him, and there's an obstacle in between him and her starting to kiss. So the tension starts to build. Now, what are some obstacles? An obstacle can be that you're simply not body to body yet, and it's socially inappropriate for people to just start getting it on and kissing everywhere they go. So there's that social obstacle. And in this case, she was with her sister, and that would have been an obstacle as well. So the tension is building because of that. Another thing to point out about his post here is that he said, she also threw all sorts of tests at me, but I either threw them right back at her or laughed it off and teased her. So how is that building tension? How is that making her want to kiss him? Well, being able to do that makes a woman feel attracted. She feels attracted to your confidence, social intelligence, and emotional intelligence for being able to handle the tests that women put men through, and then also being able to throw some back at her. So what's an example of something a woman would say to test you? A woman may say something like, you think you're pretty smooth, don't you? So she's putting some pressure on you in that moment because you seem to be talking to her in a confident way and getting along with her and making her feel attracted. And she's just testing now to see if your identity is strong enough, if you have enough security in yourself that you're not going to fall apart now that a woman has said something like that. Where if a woman says, you think you're pretty smooth, don't you? Most guys will then be like, oh, well, you know, I'm just talking to you. Or no, I don't. Or he just won't know what to say because he'll assume that he's getting rejected. So he'll start to feel uncomfortable and begin to worry that he's screwing up his chances with her. And the woman then realizes that, okay, if I just put a bit of pressure on him, he's going to start to become unstable and start to doubt that I like him and start to feel like he may be stuffing up and so on. But a guy who can pass the woman's tests is not going to take what she is saying so seriously. And if he's really good with women and therefore has a high level of social intelligence, which is what you need to be able to handle interactions with women, if he's really good with women, then he will also take what she is saying and put a positive spin on it in his mind. He will assume that she's saying something positive about him. For example, she tests and says, you think you're pretty smooth, don't you? And he says, thank you. Or, well, you think I am, so thank you. And now what is she going to say? Right, the guy has come back with a clever comeback. And she now realizes that he is savvier than her. He's more confident than her. He's more competent socially than her. And as a result, she feels attracted to that. That is very attractive to women, where they don't feel like they're going to bulldoze a man and walk all over him. Instead, he's going to be able to handle himself around her. And the thing is, when you get good at handling women's tests, they become so easy for you. Whereas other guys just have that deer in the headlights sort of look, or they start to feel uncomfortable or be thinking like, why are women saying that to me? Like, why are they being rude and mean? Whereas when you understand how to handle women's tests, and one of the ways to do that is to not take what they're saying so seriously, and another way is to put a positive spin on what they're saying, then it's so easy because most guys can't handle it. And women are so impressed by you that you can handle what they're throwing at you. Because what a lot of guys don't realize is that when a woman tests a guy, it's not a bad sign. Instead, she's interested, but she wants to see what the guy is made of. Can he actually handle a bit of pressure? And one of the reasons why women need to find that out about a guy is that a woman is going to follow along with a guy. She's going to submit to a guy. He's going to be her man. He's going to be the leader. He's going to be the one that she's looking up to and respecting. He's going to be the one that she follows along with in life. So she wants to make sure that the guy who's going to be that front man is competent in terms of handling difficult people socially. Right? So it's built into women to find that out about a man. And when you're able to pass tests like this member of my community did, the woman then drops her guard, she softens, and she opens up to you. And she wants to kiss you. Right? She's feeling attracted to you and she's open to it happening. Another important thing that he included in his post here is that, of course, I made a couple of mistakes, but I still believed in myself and she was fully attentive to that. So the secret there for you is that you don't need to be perfect in order to attract a woman and get to a kiss or sex with her. Instead, confidence is more important than saying and doing everything perfectly. If you make some mistakes and the woman sees that you're not starting to panic now or lose confidence and become insecure, and instead you remain confident, then she keeps feeling attracted to you and she's also impressed by that. And as a result of the attraction that she's feeling, the tension builds. Another important part of his post is that he said, I also notice women wake up when I'm speaking to them. So what does he mean by that? Well, when you start interacting with a woman and your focus is on triggering her attraction, she wakes up. That's the way that I refer to it sometimes at Master Attraction. And I experienced the same thing, where when I figured out how to attract women and I was going out and meeting women in all sorts of situations, I remember one time when I went out in just some track pants, otherwise known as sweatpants, and a t-shirt and runners, otherwise known as sneakers. And I just looked like a regular guy. But it was during the time when I really started to figure out and get used to attracting women. And I walked up to some girl at a counter somewhere at a store, and I noticed that she woke up, right, when I started to interact with her because of how confident I was being, how present I was being, the type of eye contact that I was making with her, and how that was making her feel. I noticed her eyes light up and she switched on and she was feeling it, compared to how women used to react to me, where when I started to talk to them, they would just be neutral and there'd be nothing there. But when you understand how to create sparks of attraction, when you start interacting with women, they wake up, they light up. And the reason why they react in that way is that you're making them feel attracted in multiple ways. So they're thinking, oh, wow, who's this guy? I like him. And you then have an opportunity with her. And depending on where you meet a girl and what the situation is, you can end up kissing her very quickly. You know, for me personally, when I think back at the fastest time I ever kissed a girl, it was essentially making eye contact with the girl from across a bar, and her smiling, me smiling, and I just walked over, put my arms around her waist, and we started kissing. Now, that's unusual. Right? That's not the way that it usually goes. In most cases, you'll often be talking to a girl for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and then end up kissing her. Or in other cases, an hour, 2 hours, or at the end of a date, right? Or for some women, it might be the second date, and that's okay. But essentially, what you need to make sure that you're doing is triggering her feelings of attraction. So she's feeling attracted to you, you're feeling attracted to her, and there's that obstacle in between you and her that is causing the tension to build. And the obstacle is that you're not body to body yet. You're not kissing yet. There's that gap, there's that space in between it happening, and she wants it, you want it, and the tension is building. You can also create an obstacle by playfully pushing her away with some of the things that you're saying during a conversation, or making her feel like she needs to impress you and pick you up. You're the one in the position of power. So when she's feeling so attracted to you and she realizes that you're not trying hard to get with her, it's that obstacle in between her getting to kiss you. And that's another way to build tension to make a girl want to kiss you. And by the way, if you want to know the best ways to find and have sex with attractive women, I have a free video for you. The link is in the description. Go and check that out. Alternatively, if you want to continue learning from me on YouTube right now, here's a video that I recommend you watch. See you in the next video.